In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI to streamline retail expansion. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to go from a simple idea to a fully structured, AI-generated project that you can manage across multiple views. By the end, you'll have a clear plan that helps you coordinate tasks, timelines, and teams involved in expanding retail operations. Start by heading to Asana and signing in to your account. If you use a connected login method, select it and continue. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace so your new project is created in the right place. From your home screen, open the Projects section and choose to create a new project. Look for the option that allows you to build with AI. This is where you can turn a simple description into a structured plan. In the Input field, describe what you want to achieve with your retail expansion. Be clear about your goals, target locations or regions, expected timelines, and key milestones such as site selection or store setup. You can also mention any teams involved and general budget considerations, while keeping the details concise and free of sensitive information. Once your description is ready, proceed to create the project. Asana's AI will begin generating a structured plan based on your input. This may take a few moments as it builds sections, tasks, and suggested timelines tailored to your goals. The more precise your description, the more useful the generated plan will be. When the project is ready, start by reviewing it in list view. This layout presents tasks in a clear, organized format with details like assignees, due dates, and status. It's a great place to check for gaps, refine task descriptions, and ensure everything aligns with your expansion objectives. Next, explore the Overview tab. This section provides a summary of your project, including its purpose and key details. It's useful for confirming that the AI-generated description matches your intended direction and is easy for stakeholders to understand. Switch to the Board view to see tasks grouped into stages. This helps you visualize how work progresses from one phase to another and quickly identify any bottlenecks. Then, open the Timeline view to examine how tasks are scheduled over time. This allows you to spot overlaps, adjust sequencing, and ensure deadlines are realistic. Finally, review the dashboard to see visual insights based on your project data. These charts help you track progress, workload, and upcoming deadlines without manual reporting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.